12th week. This week we will learn the headstand, one of the most iconic yoga postures. It will perhaps be our first try at performing a headstand for most of us. Indeed, a thrilling experience as we advance step by step and discover how easy it is to stand on our head. To be on the safe side, always practice the headstand close to a wall, about 1 foot away. Having someone to stand by in case we need help will be far better. Once mastered, we can safely practice independently, even away from the wall. Before attempting a headstand, rest the forehead on the floor, kneeling down to allow blood circulation to adjust. If it hurts, we may use some extra padding under the head. After a headstand, never raise your head or sit up immediately. Always rest your forehead down for 2 to 3 breathing rounds. Relax in corpse posture for 3-5 minutes before sitting up. Practice the abdominal lift daily. It is excellent for toning the abdominal muscles and slimming.
Tripod headstand, Salamba Shirshasana 1. 1. Kneel down. Place hands on floor either side of knees. 2. Bend your head to rest on the floor to form a triangle with your hands. Breathe out. 3. Complete 3 breathing rounds. 4. Breathe in. Raise body. 5. Take small steps forwards until knees are level with elbows. 6. Breathe out. Bring forelegs to rest and turn on bent forearms. 7. Maintain posture. Complete 3 to 5 breathing rounds. 8. Breathe out, lower legs one by one to floor. 9. Kneel down. Rest forehead on hands. Complete 3 to 5 breathing rounds. Never try to sit or stand up abruptly after headstand to avoid the risk of vertigo. 10. Relax, corpse posture, 5 minutes.
Shoulder raising posture, Bahuvartanasana 1-1. Sit lotus, thunderbolt, diamond, easy posture or anywise. Rest palms on knees. Breathe out. 2. Breathe in, sharply raise, and drop right shoulders, 3 to 5 times. Breathe out. 3. Breathe in, repeat with left shoulder. Breathe out. 4. Breathe in, repeat with both shoulders together. 5. Relax. Shoulder rolling posture, Bahuvartanasana 2-1. Sit lotus, thunderbolt, easy posture or anywise. Rest palms on knees. Breathe out. 2. Breathe in, roll right shoulder 3 to 5 times, first forward, then backward 3 to 5 times. Breathe out. 3. Breathe in, repeat with left shoulder. Breathe out. 4. Breathe in, roll both shoulders together, 3 to 5 times, first forwards, then backwards. Breathe out. 5. Relax.
Boat posture, Navasana. 1. Lie on your back, with your arms alongside your body. Breathe out. 2. Breathing in, sit up, catch ankles. 3. Maintain posture. Complete 1 to 2 breathing rounds. 4. Breathing out, straighten legs and stretch arms parallel to floor. 5. Maintain posture. Complete 3 to 5 breathing rounds. 6. Breathing out, lie back on the floor. 7. Relax. Sun Salutation, Ashtanga Namaskar. 1. Sit on heels, toes raised, arms resting on thighs. 2. Breathe in. Bend forward to rest your palms on the floor, in line with your legs. 3. Breathe out. Plunge to rest chin and chest on floor, between hands. 4. Maintain posture for a while. 5. Breathe in. Raise chin and chest. 6. Breathe out. Raise body. 7. Sit back. 8. Relax.
Bow posture, Dhanurasana 1. Lie on tummy, arms alongside body, palms up, chin on floor. 2. Bend knees and catch ankles or toes with hands. 3. Maintain posture, complete 1 to breathing rounds. 4. Breathing in, slowly raise legs and head off floor. Keep back well arched. Breathe out. 5. Maintain posture, complete 3-5 breathing rounds. 6. Breathing out, lower legs and head, straighten arms and legs. 7. Relax.
Half Moon, Ardha Chandrasana. 1. Stand legs together, arms alongside body. Breathe out. 2. Breathe in. Spread legs apart, arms alongside body. Breathe out. 3. Maintain posture. Complete 1 to 2 breathing rounds. 4. Breathing in, raise arms in line with shoulders, palms down. Turn left leg 90 degrees to the left. 5. Breathing out, bend left knee to rest left palm flat on floor, level with toes. Rest right arm on body. Breathing in, turn face up. 6. Complete 3 to 5 breathing rounds. 7. Breathing in, raise right leg. 8. Maintain posture. Complete 1 to 3 breathing rounds. 9. Breathing out, lower right leg. 10. Breathing in, straighten up. 11. Repeat on opposite side, turning right leg 90 degrees to right and bending right knee. 12. Relax. Once the daily series is completed, meditate for 10 to 15 minutes, then relax in corpse posture for at least 5 minutes.